A very good morning to all the students of class 2nd. Today we are going to start a chapter 1 of English grammar, that is vowels and consonant. As you all know that there are 26 letters in English alphabets. You all know na? Just see that. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. You have seen all these 26 letters. I have circled the sum of the letters. We have circled the sum of letter, that is A, E, I, O, U. In these English alphabet letters A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are called vowels. These are the vowels. We say that A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. Rest of the letters in these alphabets are consonant. Rest of the letters are consonant. Consonants. Okay. You understand that vowels are the A, E, I, O, U, and rest of the letters in English alphabets are the consonant. So, in this chapter you will study about the vowels and the consonant. Look at these pictures and their names. Just look these pictures and their name. Note down the some letters are in colors. Okay? Some letters are colored. First is star. In star, A is color. Eagle. E is colored. Buffalo. UAO is colored. Parrot. AO is colored. Church. U is colored. Elephant. EA is colored. Why these letters are colored? These are the special letters. These are called vowels. As you know that A, E, I, O, U are the vowel. All other letters are consonant. The letters which are not colored are the consonant, and the letters which are colored are the vowels. So we are going to do some exercises or worksheet based on this. Look at the picture. Fill in the blanks with the vowels and to complete their names. You have to fill to complete their names. Let's see. Begin with this. What this arrow shows? What is this? This is a giraffe. So we have filled that I-A-E to complete the name of the giraffe, and these words are the vowels I-A-E. Next is elephant. E-A is a vowels, and we have complete the spelling of the elephant. Next is zebra. E-A. Lion. I-O. Lion, in lions I-O is the vowels. Next, monkey. Snake. Tiger. Rabbit. A-I is a vowel in the spelling of rabbit. You have to do in your book like this only. Next, fill in the blanks with the vowels. Fill in the blanks with the vowels. The hint will help you. The hint is given and you have to fill here the vowels. The word is here. The consonant are given, that you have to just fill the vowels. A house is made of a house made of clothes. ऐसा हाउस जो क्लोथ से बना हुआ है, दैट इज अ टेंट. TENT. E is the vowel. A bottle to keep a flower, that is a vase. A vase. VASE. A large boat, that is ship. We paint using this brush. We usually use the brush to paint. We drink this. क्या हम लोग ड्रिंक करते हैं? दैट इज अ वाटर. A is the vowel in that. The home of the dog, that is canal. the sorrow food, that is a lemon. Lemon. We put this on a bread. What you all put on the bread in the morning, that is a butter. We wear these on our foot, that is a socks. A piece of metal used as a money, that is a coin. Tick. Next exercise. Are the letter in the color are vowels or consonant? Write V for the vowel and C for the consonant. Okay. In this exercise, you have to identify the letter that is colored, whether it is vowel or consonant. As you know that A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. Rest of the letters are consonant. G is a it does not come in the vowel, so it is a consonant. U, vowel. S, consonant. W, that is a consonant. D, consonant. A, consonant. A is a vowel, sorry. A is a vowel. E, vowel. C, consonant. B, consonant. Y, consonant. O, vowels. E, vowels. This is very easy. Just you remind that you are with a clear concept that what are the vowels and rest of the elements are consonant. Next exercise. You have to use a or an. In this exercise, you have to use a or an before these words. So, before understanding, we should read this to understand. We use an before the word that begin with the sound of A, E, I, O, U or vowel sound. Okay? You have to put an before the word that begins with the vowel sound. ऐसे वर्ड जो वॉवल साउंड से बिगिन करते हैं उनके सामने हमें एन लगाना है. ठीक है. वी यूज ए बिफोर द वर्ड दैट बिगिन विद द कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड. ठीक है. और ऐसे वर्ड जो कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड से बिगिन करते हैं दैट वी हैव टू पुट द ए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बैग. ठीक है. वी राइट ए और यू जस्ट सी द फर्स्ट लेटर इज बी, दैट इज ए. इम्यू and it begin with the consonant sound E. ठीक है. That's why vowel sound. ठीक है. That's why we have put a A. Read these sentences. I eat and I just hide this. I'm going to just hide this. I eat egg every day. Egg. E. Egg. It begins with a vowel sound, so we have put an. ठीक है. Sam reads book. It begins with a consonant sound, so we have put a. I have umbrella. That begins with a vowel sound, so we have put an. My brother have a red cap. Red, it begins with the consonant, so we have put a. So like this you have to fill this exercise. ठीक है. Goat, it begins with the consonant sound, we have put a. Turtle, a. Envelope, an. Cabbage, a. Igloo, an. House, a. Camel, a. Eraser, it begins with a vowel sound E, so it's a an. Otter, an. Phone, a. Hen, a. Rest of the you have to do with your own self. ठीक है. I have just done this. First you do with your own self, then you see from this. Next, this is same. Fill in the blanks with a or an. ठीक है. It is just like previous one. Kavita eats dash apple every day. Apple, it begins with a consonant. It begins with a vowel, that is an. My cousin have dash white kitten. White, that's consonant A. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. a consonant A will be written here. We saw dash crocodile at the zoo. Crocodile, a crocodile, that is a consonant sound. ठीक है, consonants are, we have put A. Joseph told us a dash interesting story. Interesting, that is I, that is a vowel sound. ठीक है, and the woodcutter has a dash axis A, and dash elephant dash large animal. Elephant is a vowel sound, and large is a consonant sound A. Rest of these you have to do with yourself. This is all about the first chapter which you have to do in your book.